Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to start using Chaty DevOps from scratch. We will create an account, verify email, subscribe to the free plan, download the app, activate the license key, add a server, and test the SSH connection. By the end of this video, your server will be connected and ready to use. Let's get started. On the top right corner, click on the Login button. You will see the sign-in page. If you already have an account, you can enter your email and password here. But since we are new users, click on Create one below the Sign-in button. Please enter your full name, email address, and password. After submitting the form, check your inbox for the activation email. Click the activation link to verify your account. Once verified, you can log in and access your free plan license key. Now go back to the login page, enter your email and password. Click Sign In. You are now inside your dashboard. Under Quick Actions, click on Buy a Plan. This will redirect you to the pricing page. Currently, we are offering a free license valid for 60 days. Paid plans will be available soon. For now, select the free plan and click on Choose Plan. Once you click Choose Plan, you will automatically be redirected back to your dashboard. Now you can see Purchases, 1 licenses 1. This means your free license has been successfully activated. Next, open your registered email inbox. You will receive an email from Chaty DevOps containing your license key. Now go to the download page and download the Chaty DevOps desktop application. Install the application on your system. Once the installation is complete, launch the Chaty DevOps app. After opening the application, navigate to the license page inside the app. Click on the Activate License button. Now open your email inbox and copy the Chaty DevOps license key that was sent to you. Return to the application. Paste the license key into the activation field. Click Submit. If the key is valid, your license will be activated successfully. You will now see the license status updated inside the application. On the left navigation panel, click on SSH. This section allows you to run secure, non-interactive commands on your servers. Currently, there are no servers added. Click on the Add Server button. The Add Server window will open. Here, enter your server details. First, enter a server name. This can be any name to help you identify the server. Next, enter the host. This is your server's IP address or domain name. Then enter the port number. By default, it is 22 for SSH. Now enter the username for your server. Under Authentication, choose your preferred method. You can select Password if your server uses password authentication, or choose Private Key if you are using SSH key-based authentication. If needed, you can also add optional notes for reference. Once all details are entered, click on Add. Your server is now added successfully. You can now test the connection or run commands securely through Chaty DevOps. The test connection is successful. Now you can securely run commands on your server using Chaty DevOps. In this video, we completed the full setup process. We created an account, activated the free 60-day license, downloaded the desktop application, activated the license inside the app, added a server, and tested the connection successfully. Your Chaty DevOps environment is now fully ready. This is just the beginning. In the next video, I will show you advanced features like terminal mode, SFTP, deployment tools, and log management. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more DevOps-focused content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.